Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I'm going to be doing a 30-minute hustle, and basically that is a 30-minute speed cleaning or a 30-minute power hour. So it's like half of the power hour that Kimberly from Style Mom XO does. But today I'm going to be doing it as a collaboration with my friend Courtney. So Courtney has a channel, she started it in January, but I'm going to let her introduce herself to you guys.
Hi everyone, my name is Courtney. I am a wife and I'm a mom to two little girls ages 5 and 20 months. And I am so excited to be doing this collab today with Karen because she was actually one of my very first subscribers when I started my YouTube channel back in January. So to work with her was really exciting for me, and I am so thankful that we were able to collaborate on this 30-minute hustle. So on my channel, I do a lot of cleaning videos. I do some cooking videos, some grocery hauls, basically anything that has to do with mom life, organization, things like that. That's what you will find on my channel. So if you are interested in that, I hope that you will come and check out my video and hopefully hit that subscribe button and see some more videos that I'm going to be making for you. And thanks again to Karen for doing this collaboration with me. Bye guys.
So make sure that you go and check out Courtney's video. It will be linked in the description below, and you can check out her video once you've watched mine. So without further ado, let's jump in and get into today's video. So on my list today, I have to take everything off the changing table, stuff that shouldn't be there, pick up the toys, do the dishes, clean the counters, the dining room table, clear it and give it a wipe down, vacuum the kitchen, living, dining area, mop the kitchen, put on a load of laundry, and then do a pickup of the living room as well, because there's just some bits that are thrown around there from this morning. So I have half an hour to do this 30-minute hustle. So I'm going to go in and set my alarm, my stopwatch or timer, for 30 minutes, and then let's go.
Another hand slowly, a child is slowly taken, and the violence caused such silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their bombs. In your head, they are crying. In your another mother's breaking, heart is taking over. When the violence causes silence, we must be mistaken. It's the same old team since 1916. In your head, they still fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are guided. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head.
So I did the changing table, the toys, the dishes, the counters, the dining table, the vacuuming, the laundry and the living room pickup. The only thing I didn't do was the mop. It took me an extra 4 minutes to make 34 minutes. Basically, just as I plugged in the mop, the timer went off. When I showed you guys that the timer wasn't on anymore, and it was 4 minutes that it took me to mop, because I went over it twice to make sure that it got up all of those stains that were on it. Also in the middle, I'm not sure if you've seen, but the bag, our rubbish bag started leaking as well, so I did pause to take care of that. So that's it. That is today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. As I said at the start, I would love that you go over to Courtney's video and check out her 30-minute hustle, her 30-minute speed clean. The link to her video will be in the description, and do let her know that you've come from my channel and that you were enjoying her video. So if you liked today's video, please do give it a thumbs up. I do have more cleaning, speed cleanings linked in the description for you, and there's playlists there that you can check out. I do have a blog, ourishfamily.com, that has very separate content to what I upload here on YouTube. So if you're interested in checking out that, that will be linked in the description for you also, alongside my Twitter, Instagram and Facebook social media pages for you to follow me on those platforms as well. So that is it, guys. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.